David Hundeyin, the investigative journalist who have been leaking government secrets to us, has been slammed with libel case. Before we delve right into the details of today's news, if this is your first time here or you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, also leave your opinions in the comment section below. Breaking news: fresh trouble as the UK court finds David Hundeyin €95,000 for libel. Fresh trouble as the UK court finds David Hundeyin €95,000 for libel. The Royal Court of Justice in the UK has found David Hundeyin, a self-described Nigerian investigative journalist, guilty of libel against Charles Northcote, a BBC journalist. The court ordered Hundeyin to pay €95,000 in damages for defamatory claims made in his article, Journalism Career Graveyard. The ruling, delivered on October 8, 2024, also mandated the removal of the offensive sections of the article from the hosting website. Hundeyin had accused Northcote of exploiting his role as director of a sex for grade documentary to obtain sexual favors from Kiki Modi, a Nigerian Emmy-nominated journalist who was the documentary's on-screen reporter. David Hundeyin further claimed that Northcote favored Modi over Oge Obi, whom Hundeyin alleged was the original mastermind behind the project. Northcote denied these allegations, stating they caused severe professional and personal harm. The court accepted Northcote's evidence of a libel's impact, noting the damage to his reputation and the emotional distress caused. It described Hundeyin's conduct post-publication, including a social media campaign, as aggravating, stating that his actions were intended to cause maximum harm and humiliation. Northcote's analysis showed the article and related posts gained over 40 million online impressions between September and October 2022, a significant proportion of which came from England and Wales. Despite being ordered to remove the defamatory article in July 2024, Hundeyin failed to comply. Hundeyin social media posts included direct provocations, daring Modi and others to sue him, and he publicly shared unrelated footage of Northcote and Modi, claiming it supported his allegations. The court dismissed these claims, finding no evidence of an inappropriate relationship and labeling Hundeyin's actions as trolling and defamatory. Northcote was represented by Ms. Wilson, while Hundeyin neither attended the proceedings nor sent legal representation. I think he felt that this is Nigeria. He could not show up in he would not show up in court, and probably the judge will say let's postpone it, let's pick a later date until they will just be on the case for 4, 5 or even 10 years and nothing will come of it. He did not know, he didn't knew. Maybe they did not update him to let him know that this is America or this is UK. Even if you are not in court, you are good. The case will be sat on, and then the court judgment will be given, despite the fact that you are not in court. That one is your business. If you don't get a lawyer to represent you, that one is your business. But guys, what do you all think? Let us know in the comment section below. Do you think that David Hundeyin has, I read comments before I go to what I wanted to say. I read comments of people saying that, oh, David Hundeyin is fond of, spreading fake news, is fond of defaming people's character and integrity. He would just cook up stories and, and post them without actually verifying them. Do you think that that is actually true? Because this court judgment is now making me to feel otherwise. Because, we have seen, if you've been following him, you would know that, severally he has broken news that the federal government do not even want us to know about. And those news turn out to be true, except for a few cases anyway. I think Lagbaja's death was broken by him as well. He has done a lot of investigative journalist, work in Nigeria that has turned out to be true. But this one now that they are saying that he was claiming that the BBC director, not Scott, has a personal relationship with, one of the people that, helped in doing the research for the Sex for Mark documentary that was done in Lagos, Nigeria, and I think UI to University of Ibadan. The claim is, he has a personal relationship, aside from work relationship with, the person who handled the research. And, the lady who was the one that even came up with the idea was dropped in the process. And because he has a personal relationship with the other one, he went with her instead of giving credit to the one that even came up with the project in the first place. Well, anyway, the court have, passed the judgment that, this is actually false because there is no evidence. Since he was not even able to attend court, nor even come with his lawyer, he was unable to prove that, there is a personal relationship between the director of BBC and, is it Modi? Yeah, Modi, the lady. You all, what are your thoughts? Let's have them in the comment section, like I said. Before we go, let's take a look at a few reactions we got online. Olumide says, your suffering has just started. Wish you greater reward for your actions within and without. Victor Anthony says, he thinks say UK and Nigeria where you can pass fake information and get away with it. Osia P says, monetization of defamation of character. So how will the 95,000 euro repair the damage and trauma cost? Why not 1 billion euro or 95p? Let's Kiki Modi have a say. Even these sexual favors were an incentive. You cannot tell the kind of damage that was done on his personality or his character. Is the one that can really say that this is, the jobs that I have lost as a result of the defamation on my character. Probably, people that would usually come to him and give him job, they decided to stop doing that because they do not trust him anymore. And all of that, those are the things that, the judge will look at, and those are the things that they are going to calculate. How much do you charge per client? How has your business reduced since, when this defamation or this libel, was done, this assassination of character? How much job have you lost? How has it affected your business? Those are the things that they look at before they could come up with 95,000 euro. So you cannot really say. Olubome says, this lunatic idiot has gotten more than he bargained for. Jobless, senseless person. Hey, God, do. Lastly, from Olabisi says, thank God he has finally carried his lack of home training to where then go send them to prison sharp. You all, thank you very much for always listening and watching, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.